So in this new unit, we are going to be learning about line. And in today's lesson, you're learning about thin, which are very skinny, teeny weeny little lines, and thick lines, which are super thick, wide lines. Um, and let's see if you can spot where the thick line is here. Which piece of yarn is it? That's right, this is the thick one. And the thinnest would be, yeah, over here. It's so hard to see. How about here? Which is the thinnest pencil? It is. It's this one. The other one is thick. How about which apple slice is the thickest? Yes, this one over here is the thickest. So lines are all over in this world. And we can see here in the butterfly, we can see very thin lines on its antennas, and we see white stripes down here that are very thick. Lines are in buildings too, such as this cathedral. We see lines all over the walls, even on the ceilings, and down here on the floor we see a very thick line. Looks like a aisle. We see line in artwork, of course, such as this painting by the artist Kandinsky. We see thin ones and also thick lines. In this painting by Paul Klee, we see some thick lines too, some big, thick black lines and some really thin, narrow lines that outline them. So today you're going to be painting both thick and thin lines, and you can use different sizes of brushes to create different types of lines. For example, when we use a big brush with lots of bristles, it creates a, let's see, it worked, a thick line. And the smaller and smaller and smaller those paintbrushes are, the thinner lines that they will create. So watch the next video and we'll talk specifically about our project. Bye.